best shape I can to help my teammates.
How different do you feel? How noticeable is it?
I'm a lot quicker. It's noticeable for me. I don't know about others, but I just feel lighter on my feet, a little higher. Everything feels a lot more smoothly than last year. I mean, it's always good to sharpen up your body, but I was good last year. It was just what I had to do.
And the new jersey number 2. I mean, you're like a completely different guy out there this year. Does it feel a lot different? I mean, new staff,
It does.
new physique, new everything.
Yeah.
How is that going for you?
Everything's going great. Smooth, just as planned. Kind of like everything's going as planned. As Coach Howard called all of us when he got the job, just told us what his plans and his intentions were, and everything's filling out and playing the way he said it was.
I know you have a Goku tattoo.
Yeah.
Can you talk about the story behind that and you hoping to go Super Saiyan this season?
Exactly. This is baby Goku. I got this after my freshman year. It was a year of learning. And just if you know Goku, he never quits. And this is Goku's final form. And this is where it gets. This is where I'm trying to be this season. Just, groom myself into that player that I'm supposed to be.
Just talking to David about like his own emergence, one of the things that he said is that helped him, going from last year's system to this year's system, it kind of allows your natural talent to flourish maybe a little bit more. Talk about how much that's benefited you if it has.
Don't get me wrong, I think I know what he's saying. I think he's saying that he has more opportunities playing in Coach Howard's system. Coach Howard's system. Because they're two totally different systems, so I understand what he means now. But it's smooth. I mean, you can run any type of system, but I think guys like Dave, Colin, they just want their basketball. They want to get in. They didn't get the minutes that they were hoping to get coming in as freshmen, but this year's gonna be a lot different for them.
How does it affect you? Like, do you feel
me
like
personally?
does it feel like you can flourish a little bit more? Anything like that?
It depends what position. They both have their ins and outs, but I would say they both give you a great opportunity to play the game at the highest levels.